All right, this is another example under geometric progression. In a GP, the first term is 3. That means T1, which is the same thing as A, is 3. Also, the 8th term is 384. The 8th term here simply means T8, which is the same thing as A times R raised to power 7, which the value is given to be 384. So we are asked to find the common ratio R and the 12th term. So in this case, since we know the value of A to be 3, it simply means that we can substitute the value of A into A R raised to power 7 equals 384. Since we know the value of A to be 3, and let's substitute the value of A into this equation of T8, and that gives us 3 times R raised to power 7, which is the same thing as 384. Then R raised to power 7 is the same thing as 384 divided by 3, which is going to give us 128. Now that we have R raised to power 7 equals 128, the value of R then will be the 7th root of 128, which is the same thing as 2. This is our common ratio. But the second part of the question says we should find the 12th term of the sequence. 12th term here simply means T12, which is the same thing as A times R to the power of 11. And this gives us, since we know the first term to be 3, 3 times our common ratio is already given to be 2 to the power of 11. And then we have 3. 2 to the power of 11 will give us 2048. And when you do the multiplication of 3 by 2048, you have 6144 to be our 12th term. Subscribe for more tips like this.